morning, traders. We have NVDA. We bought the $490 puts. 531 was the low. Our entry was $6.50, and the high is 15.94 on the 490 puts. Now, let's take a look at NVDA on the chart. You can see that we gapped down to the 20-day simple moving average at 481. And we're breaking down. We were overbought on the video. We hit the top end of the resistance. We bought these on the last day of 2023. Yes, we did. And we were overbought. And the video had trouble with the turnings. Yes, it's the bull market run up 240%. But right now, the trade is down. Overbought, overvalued, buy the short, how to short the gap down, how to pick the $490 strike. That is a big trade. This is a put chart. They were down here. They have gained 200%. We will take profits at a certain point on the 490 put on the video. How to get paid, shorting overvalued stocks starting 2024, first trading day of the year. Tommy Trader, sign up with him now. Take the free 5-day trial, subscribe to the YouTube channel, make your comments, tell your friends. It's time to get paid. We've been on YouTube for 15 years, and we have shown results year after year, day after day, week after week. It's time for you to get paid. Simply get in that free 5-day trial.